Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up that's not only helpful but also essential for those preparing for the OET reading test Part A. So, if you're aiming to ace that test and achieve your dream career in the healthcare industry, you've come to the right place. You've already come so far, and this test is just another stepping stone towards your goal. Believe in yourself and your abilities, for you have the power to conquer any obstacle in your path. Remember, the OET reading test is not just an exam, it's an opportunity to showcase your understanding of practical reference documents, a skill that's invaluable in your future healthcare career. Every question you answer, and every challenge you overcome, will strengthen your expertise and make you a better healthcare professional. Stay focused, stay determined, and most importantly, stay positive. You are fully capable of achieving excellence, and your hard work will undoubtedly pay off. Visualize the moment when you'll receive your OET reading test score, knowing that you've given it your all. Imagine the elation, the sense of accomplishment that will wash over you. You deserve that moment, and it's within your grasp. Believe in yourself, and let that belief fuel your journey to success in the OET reading test. We have faith in you, and soon, you'll realize that the only limits that exist are the ones you set for yourself. Go forth, brave test takers, and seize this opportunity to shine. The world awaits your talents and your compassion. Let your OET reading test score be a testament to your brilliance and dedication. You can do this. We believe in you. With unwavering support and encouragement. Your loving host Sanatha, a registered nurse. Let's start today's topic. In Part A of the OET reading test, you'll be tackling 20 questions on 4 separate texts. You'll have 15 minutes to complete this part, so let's dive into the instructions. Understanding the format is crucial for success in the reading test. Part A presents you with 4 texts, each labeled Text A to Text D. These texts contain valuable information about various health conditions and treatments. Among them, you might encounter visual or tabular data like flowcharts, tables, or diagrams. Don't worry, no complex calculations are required. One of the trickiest aspects is the matching questions, where you must identify the text containing specific information. One of the most common questions I get is, where should I start? With the texts or the questions? My answer is always the same. Start with the texts but don't read them in detail because you don't know which details you need yet. So just skim them, which means fast reading, reading the headings, read the first lines of each paragraph. But quickly, very quickly, you just want to get a general idea of what each text is about. If you have to go back to the texts to check some of the questions, that's okay. However, it's a general understanding you're going for here, not detail or specific information. The question you're asking yourself is, which text is focused on definitions? What text is focused on the procedure? Which text is focused on medication? And so on. For questions 1-7 you have to write which test contains this information and choose A, B, C, or D. Here you have to use the skimming method to locate the place. Skimming means fast reading and getting the general idea of the text. When using the skimming method, test takers do not read the entire text in detail. Instead, they quickly glance over the text, looking for headings, subheadings, and the first sentences of paragraphs to grasp the main topic and the organization of the information. For questions 8-14, with a word or short phrase from one of the texts. Each answer may include words, numbers, or both. You should not write full sentences. Now, let's dive into a crucial segment of the OET reading test, short answer questions. These questions require keen attention to detail and a knack for finding specific information in the provided texts. But don't worry. Short answer questions are like hidden treasures in the texts. Your goal is to locate the exact words or short phrases that directly answer the question. Remember, stick to the information given in the texts, and keep your answers concise, usually between 1 to 3 words. Keep your answers short, and avoid including unnecessary information, as it may lead the assessor to believe that you do not understand the text fully, or are not sure of the correct answer. Here you have to use a scanning method. When using the scanning method, test takers do not read the entire text comprehensively. Instead, they scan the text quickly, using their eyes to search for specific keywords, phrases, or information relevant to the questions they need to answer. Questions 15-20 complete each of the sentences, with a word or short phrase from one of the texts. Each answer may include words, numbers, or both. Here also you have to apply skimming and scanning methods. The first task in reading Part A always asks you to identify which text contains the information. You should always answer these questions first, as they will help you to gain an understanding of the content within each text. Identify keywords. As you read, try to remember the main idea of the text, and it can help you identify the correct answers more easily. If you come across a word you don't know, try to use the context to help you understand its meaning. Look for clues in the surrounding sentences and paragraphs that may give you a hint. You simply do not have time to waste. On average, you have 45 seconds for each question. If you find you are spending over a minute on any one answer, you need to either produce your best guess or just forget it and move on. It's much better to miss one question than it is to miss 4 or 5 because you ran out of time. However, try to answer 20 questions, which can definitely boost your score. If you found this practice helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more OET test tips and strategies. Until next time, happy studying, and best of luck with your test.